I bought this secondhand Harley-Davidson Barbie. She's going to be my first Aphrodite mold muse. She's so gorgeous. Her hair is so sticky and ruined, so I'm going to repair her and rebody her. Accompany me on this restoration journey. The Harley-Davidson Barbie series was conceptualized by designer Sharon Zuckerman, whose vision brought the rugged yet stylish collaboration to life. First launched in 1996, the series merges Barbie's timeless elegance with the bold, free-spirited attitude of the Harley-Davidson brand. Did you know? The collaboration between Mattel and Harley-Davidson is indeed one of the longest-standing brand partnerships in Barbie history. This series has garnered significant popularity, inspiring a dedicated collector culture. Each edition celebrates different facets of Harley-Davidson's rich heritage, making them highly sought after by enthusiasts. Not only was the Harley-Davidson Barbie series a testament to the enduring partnership between Mattel and Harley-Davidson, but it also highlighted the incredible artistry and vision of the designers behind it. At the heart of this creative success was Sharon Zuckerman, whose impeccable attention to detail brought this collaboration to life. Sharon Zuckerman, one of Mattel's most renowned designers, is the creative mind behind the Harley-Davidson Barbie collection. She is also the visionary behind the iconic Hard Rock Barbie series. Sharon's work on both the Harley-Davidson and Hard Rock Cafe collections reflects her exceptional ability to intertwine pop culture with Barbie's timeless charm. Her work on these collections showcases her talent in blending Barbie's classic elegance with the distinctive aesthetics of these iconic brands. I love her, and those both lines so much. This second-hand Harley-Davidson Barbie arrived in less than perfect condition. Her hair was sticky, tangled, and a little worn out. In this simple restoration, I'll focus on reviving her hair, removing the stickiness, detangling the knots, and giving her back her smooth texture. I've decided to keep her default look, which allows me to explore different styles in future projects. I'll rebody her to a TNT body, just my preparation, and I don't really like Muse that much. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. See you on the next video.